Done.
Sir, we're learning now or we have to write now?
Write down.
Okay.
Done, everyone?
Yes.
I'm going to ask you also. Done? Okay. We have NaOH. How can we prepare NaOH? Yes, you, Mariam.
Sir, by passing electricity in an aqueous solution of sodium chloride called brine, it decomposes to form NaOH, which is called the chloralkali process. So we take a beaker containing water and add some salt in it, and then we place two rods, the anode and the cathode, in the beaker. Slowly the NaCl and the H2O starts to break, and the anode attracts the negative, which is Cl2, and the cathode attracts the positive, which is H2.
Yes, you, Alvina. How can we prepare caustic soda?
Caustic soda can be prepared by passing electricity through a concentrated solution of aqueous solution of NaCl to get NaOH, chlorine gas, and hydrogen gas. This process is also known as chloralkali because of chlorine gas obtained and the alkali NaOH obtained.
Yes, you, Junaid. How can we prepare bleaching powder?
Bleaching powder is chlorine.
Just a minute for you. I need to use the headphone. Just a minute.
Cl plus CO plus H2O, which is CaOCl plus H2O.
What? Speak again.
Bleaching powder is Cl plus CO, which is CaOCl.
How can we prepare it? How can we prepare it? By passing chlorine gas to calcium hydroxide. It will give you CaCl2 plus water. Yes, you, Zainab. How can we
Yes.
prepare? How can we prepare washing soda?
Washing soda. Na2CO3 when passed to 10H2O gives us Na2CO3 dot 10H2O.
How can we prepare this Na2CO3 first?
Uh,
Yes, you, Alvina. How can we prepare washing soda?
Okay. First, washing soda can be prepared by passing CO2 to ammonical brine to get baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, and then the sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated to get anhydrous sodium carbonate, and then the anhydrous sodium carbonate is treated with water to get sodium carbonate decahydrate.
So those who have not done, let you please check whether you have prepared this all preparation. That here is the preparation of those who have not done. Please do it. The preparation here. This is from ammonical brine, and you pass it. Okay. Yes, you Junaid, you have you this both uh preparation of NaCl and water both in your notebook? Yes or no?
I have to write this part down. I have to write this down.
We are going to write it.
Yes.
Write it fast. Fast. Yes, Alvina. What is the uses of bleaching powder?
It's used in cakes, in baking,
Bleaching
to make
powder.
the
Bleaching
bread.
powder.
Bleaching powder, okay. Bleaching powder, it is used to disinfect water.
Okay. And
And it is used for cleaning purposes.
yeah, it is used as a strong oxidizing agent. Okay. Yes, you Zainab. What is the uses of uh what is the use of tartaric acid in baking soda?
it helps to take down the bitter taste and helps to form baking soda from baking powder.
Yeah, but it is not a use. I'm asking the use.
It takes down the bitter taste.
Okay, other.
It also makes the cake fluffy
How?
because of the oxygen. No, wait.
Because of the oxygen.
No, wait. No. Uh, there's the carbon dioxide in it.
Yes, you, Mariam.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, what's the question?
Question that what is the role of tartaric acid in baking soda? Powder, sorry.
Uh, Sir, I don't know.
Huh? You know that when you add tartaric acid to baking soda, it becomes baking powder.
Yes,
Why
sir.
we are adding this edible acid to it?
Because it will neutralize the sodium carbonate, which is produced in baking soda. No.
Because it helping because baking soda is a Sodium hydrogen carbonate is a basic salt because it is a salt of a strong base and weak acid. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
secondly, it helps in the production of carbon dioxide because when metal hydrogen carbonate, any metal hydrogen carbonate, whether it is sodium hydrogen carbonate, calcium hydrogen carbonate, magnesium hydrogen carbonate, any metal hydrogen carbonate, when it react with acid, it
Mhm.
gives you salt plus carbon dioxide plus water.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you noted, Junaid, this one?
Yes.
The other two salts also. This one is washing soda. Yes, Zainab. How can we distinguish between baking soda and washing soda by heating?
So can you repeat?
I'm asking that how can you, Junaid, if you want to write it fast. I'm saying that how can you distinguish between baking soda and washing soda on heating or by heating? No? Yes, you, Maria.
Sir, baking soda when heated gives washing soda.
Baking, sir,
Yeah, Zainab.
baking soda has carbon dioxide, and then washing soda does not have carbon dioxide. Yeah.
Yes, you, Mariam. Yes, you, Alvina.
The baking soda, it is heated to get anhydrous sodium carbonate, and then it is treated with water to get washing soda.
Simple is simple, very simple. That if you heat it, if you heat this baking soda, you will get carbon dioxide gas. And this gas can be tested by passing it to live water. It will turn milky. But if you heat sodium carbonate, it will not decompose. Like if you start heating it, it will not give you further carbon dioxide. Okay, like for example, if you have Na2CO3, if you heat it, it will give you Na2CO3 only. No effect. So that's why no evolution of gas take place when you heat baking soda. But when you heat baking soda, it will convert it into washing soda plus it will produce the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the evolution of gas. We will consider that it is baking soda. Okay. Okay. Yes, this is the next salt. Junaid, next two salts. If you have not done the preparation, so you can check it from here. Okay. Yes, you, Alvina. Can you tell me that what would happen if uncontrolled heating is done during the formation of POP? If uncontrolled heating is done during the formation of POP, what would happen?
It would result in dead burn after.
It will result in dead burnt plaster. And what is dead burnt plaster?
Um, Calcium carbonate.
Calcium sulfate only, carbonate. So when you heat it, let's suppose if you, this is gypsum. When you heat it uncontrolled, then whole water of crystalline will get evaporated. And it will give you SaCSO4 plus 2H2. Understood? So it will form anhydrous or calcium sulfate or dead burnt plaster. Okay. Done? Everyone noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's start doing the questions over it. So Aisha, how are you? Please turn on your camera.
Good evening.
Good evening. So write down question number 37 and try to write it. Write down question number 37 fast. Question number 37. Try to write it in your own words. Hello. अच्छा, sorry. Done? Noted, yes or no?
Yes.
What's the answer?
When both are heated, baking powder produces CO2, but washing soda does not.
Okay. Washing soda does not. Good. Yes, you also, Mariam, you noted?
Yes, sir, I wrote.
What's the answer?
Sodium hydrogen carbonate, when heated, gives CO2 gas, which will turn lime water milky, whereas no such gas is evolved when sodium carbonate is heated.
Very good. Yes, you, Albina, what do you write?
Actually, I didn't write the correct answer.
So what do you write?
I wrote heating mode effect in baking powder.
Why? Okay. This was question number 37 that was, no? Okay. So here is the answer for question number 37. So that you can write it properly if you have not done. Uh, just start writing. Answer to question number 37. Just start writing fast. Start writing from here. From here, from this portion. From here to here. Done.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Next, here we have the next question. What is X, Y, and Z in this one? Yes, you, Aisha, you need to tell me question number 39. Aisha, because you don't turn on your camera, actually, I am not able to focus you that whether you are there. You, you just, means you, I
Sir,
guess,
I have turned it on,
no, actually, you are not, it is black, not showing.
but I can see myself.
Go to the camera settings. Okay. Go to the
Yes.
camera settings in the Zoom meeting. Okay. And
Okay.
there is an arrow. There you choose that. Are you using class with laptop or something else? Tell me. Are you
Sir,
using
I'm using it with my tab.
tab? So are you using integrated webcam? Means go to the video options and there should be you choose integrated webcam.
There is no option for that.
But you are not visible. You need to give permission to the in the next class you have to do. What you need to do is you need to go to the Zoom settings in the settings applications. Okay, you need to go to settings and application settings, and then you check the permissions. So you have not given the permission for the camera, to access the camera for the Zoom. That might be possible. Okay, so
When I
yes,
join this class, I don't get that camera option.
then get the camera options.
Yes.
Yes. So, what should be the answer for the question number 38? Tell me, Aisha, what should be the answer for question number 38?
Sir, salt B is, I think so, sodium carbonate,
Okay,
and C is, it's lime water.
lime water is not C. C is a gas. Yes,
Oh
you
yeah,
Faizan?
so maybe carbon carbon dioxide.
Okay, let's check whether it is carbon dioxide or not. Yes, Faizan, can you tell me in question number 38 what is A? What is A?
Sure, I don't know that.
Yes, you Junaid?
A is NaHCO3. That's A.
And B?
B is NaCO3. NaCO3.
Na2CO3.
Oh, sorry. Na2CO3.
So this question is based on the previous slide that we were doing there. Okay, on this simple that we were doing here, that when you heat compound A, when heated, it gives a gas, a compound B, which is used for removing the permanent hardness of water. So B is the compound and A is also used in the bakery industry. So this is baking soda. And C is the carbon dioxide gas. This carbon dioxide gas, when passed through lime water, what is lime water? This is calcium hydroxide is lime water. So when you pass carbon dioxide to it will turn it milky. So it indicates that it is carbon dioxide gas. Understood? Yes or no? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Question number 39. What should be X and Y?
We've done this before. X will be chlorine and then Y will be CaOCl2.
CaOCl2.
Yes.
Yeah, it is chlorine. By compound is bleaching powder. Okay. What? It is very simple that a byproduct is a byproduct of chloralkali process. So it is very uh, write down question number 45 in your notebook and try to find out the value of X, Y, G and Z. We have done this many times because we are just practicing it because only such type of questions are going to come in your board examination as well as in your examination regarding to X, Y, Z. So it must be many times clear to you. You must not even take any minute to think. When we keep on practicing again and again, then the output will be faster. So write down question number 45 and then try to find out the answer X, Y, G and Z.
Sir, I have heard there will be 50% of competency-based questions in science. So what is that?
And 50% is from MCQ type.
It's competency-based, so I didn't
Yeah,
get it what they
competency
meant
based
by.
means that are from the means that competency is a word that we use for generally for the
Is it for like daily life? We have to relate it from our daily life, kind of that.
yeah, yeah, you can say not 50% should not be there.
No, it
The
is
question
50%. If you go to CBSE side, then the science paper, especially that, will be of 50%.
okay, yeah, generally they will be like a story based, sorry, uh, okay, case based study. But that is cases just like for example, a mother who cooked a cake, means cake, okay, who tried to
Okay.
made bread pakoras, and she added a compound X. So, but she find that it is very bitter. Okay, so what she has done. So this type of question is from only that is going to come from your syllabus only. Okay,
Yes.
you done, Mariam?
Yes, sir.
You done this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, so what is X, Y? Noted everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll start from Aisha. Aisha, tell me what is X? What is X?
X is X is uh, CO2 gas.
So
No, X is calcium.
X is a metal carbonate which is reacting with an acid.
Calcium carbonate.
How can you say whether it is calcium carbonate?
Um, it will react with. It might react with. If it's acid, then it can be HCl.
Then
it will give CO2. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's
It can be
CO2
sodium
gas.
carbonate. It can be sodium carbonate also. Sodium carbonate also react with acid to form carbon dioxide plus water.
So it can be calcium carbonate with
Yeah, it can be calcium carbonate. Okay. Can you tell
okay.
me that what is a gas it is saying? What is this gas?
It will give CO2 gas.
Yeah, it is because it is general reaction, right? When we react any metal carbonate, okay, when it react with acid, it gives you salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, understood? Yes or no? Okay, so this is metal carbonate. When it react with acid, it will give you CO2. And this CO2 is used for? Can you tell me that why this CO2 is used for?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, he is saying that when this CO2 gas or this carbon dioxide gas is passed through a solution, why? It gives the metal carbonate back. Means this CO2 when passed through, then it is going to give you the metal carbonate back. So here we don't know the solution why, but we know that if we pass the carbon dioxide to lime water, then it will gives you calcium carbonate, CaCO3 plus. So this is our assumption that if Y is calcium hydroxide, when we pass carbon dioxide to it, then it will gives you CaCO3, which is X, carbonate back. So which when passed through a solution Y gives carbonate back. Means this metal carbonate X you will get back. Okay. Understood? Yes
Yes.
or no? Now, can you tell me that which gas is produced at G? G gas. The gas G that is produced here. Can you tell
Gas
me?
G will be. I think so. It's chlorine gas.
It is a
I'm
chlorine
not
gas.
sure, but yes.
Yes, it is
Okay.
chlorine gas. Yes, you, Zainab. Is it chlorine gas?
Yes, sir, it's chlorine gas.
Yes, Mariam, is it chlorine gas?
Yes, sir, it is chlorine gas.
Yes. On the other hand, gas G which is obtained at anode during the electrolysis of brine. So when you have NaCl plus water, this is brine, and when you pass electricity to it, then it will give you NaOH, caustic soda plus chlorine gas plus hydrogen gas. So this gas chlorine is obtained at anode because anode is positively charged rod and chloride ion are negatively charged, Cl minus. So that's why negative will always goes toward the positively charged rod. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Next. Okay. Next.
The 46th one?
No. The next part of this one. What is Z?
CaOCl. CaOCl2.
Yes, Z
CaO.
is here. So it is saying that when this chlorine gas is passed through dry Y, So why it is saying dry Y and it is saying Y is solution? So what is difference between dry Y and solution? What is the difference between dry Y and the solution? No difference? Okay. The- you know that lime water is milky. Calcium hydroxide, when it is having a solution, then it is called lime water. And it is a solution, means it is a very dilute solution. And a very small amount of calcium hydroxide, large amount of water. So this solution is called, this is Y as a solution. But when you have dry, like paste, like the toothpaste, means paste like, then it is called slag lime. Slag lime. But same formula for the lime water and the slag lime. So that's why he's saying dry Y. Dry Y means paste. So when you pass this chlorine gas to dry Y, it will give you a compound Z, which is used for killing germs. Simple. So when we pass chlorine gas to slag lime, it will give you bleaching powder, which is used as disinfectant. Okay, understood? So here is the reaction for all. So you can write it if you want to write the answer for this. What is X? What is Y? You done? Note it down. Done? Noted?
Yes.
Write question number 46 in your notebook. Yes, you done this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 more minute.
What are you saying? 1 more minute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, tell me what should be the answer for A? What is AB?
A.
Sorry, not A. What is B? And what would happen when B is going to react with any acidic oxide?
B is sodium hydroxide, and neutralization reaction will be done. Like it will form.
So what? Give an example of a acidic oxide.
Uh, Na2 wait. Na2CO3.
No, it is not Na2CO3.
The acidic oxide is carbon dioxide.
Yeah, because non-metal oxides are acidic.
Yes, sir.
So you will write it. Okay, so note it down fast. That B is NaOH. NaOH. And when it react with any non-metal oxides, it is acidic in nature. It gives you Na2CO3 plus what? Plus what it will give you? Yes, will be now what it will give you.
And hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen gas,
Sorry, H2O.
H2O. Why? Because it is a base, it is an acid. So acid plus base will give you salt in water. Understood? You can balance it by putting 2 here. Done?
Yes.
Okay, orally tell me the answer for question number 47. Question number 47.
Sir, it's calcium sulfate, gypsum.
Calcium sulfate is not gypsum.
Yeah, calcium sulfate dot half H2.
Then it is POP.
Uh,
Plus
no, calcium. Wait. Yes, sir, it is POP.
Yes, it is POP, na?
Yeah.
Yes, you Alvina. Is it POP?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you Aisha. Is it POP?
Yes.
But it's saying a a sulfate salt. So you know that in our sulfate, the salt that we are having baking soda, washing soda, okay? Different salts. So simply we have only sulfate salt is calcium sulfate that we have. Really, and white substance is used in the modern and shapes in the dough. So you know that it is POP. When left in open air, it will it converted into solid mass. Why does it show such behavior? Yes, you Aisha. Why does it become solid mass when you kept it in open air?
It absorbs moisture
Yes, it absorbs the moisture
and molecules increases
and form
and
CaSO4
causes
dot.
crystallization. Then it forms gypsum, which is a compound.
Okay. Which is a hard mass substance. Okay.
Yes.
Hard mass substance. Okay. Can you? Okay. Everyone, please. I'm going to ask you that write down question number 44 and then write the answer of question number 44, please. Everyone, in your own words. I wanna check your power that how you write it. Question number 44.
Sir, done.
So you done, everyone? Aisha, Mariam,
Yes, sir.
what's the answer?
Uh, the
Done,
first
sir.
part, the cake will be bitter because
Because
because when we heat baking soda, it forms sodium carbonate, and that's bitter. And
it formed. You
the
write like this
second,
way. You write like this way. You don't write
uh,
the answer. So everyone, please write the answer for this question.
It will be bitter because of the formation of sodium carbonate.
Yeah.
Sir, I
Simple.
heard baking powder. If you use baking powder instead of baking soda, it will taste better.
Yes. Why?
Because if we
Because it
heat
is a Yeah, because it is a basic salt of a strong base and weak acid.
I wrote because of formation of sodium carbonate.
Because of the formation of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is actually baking soda.
Hmm. I wrote
So
that.
here is the question number 44 answer. So everyone please start writing the answer for this. Exactly the same.